Hey everyone, welcome back to Tap Tech, where we dive deep into the latest gear so you can pick the perfect tech for your lifestyle. Today, we're checking out the brand new Amazfit Balance 2, a smartwatch that's promising big things. For both serious athletes and anyone who cares about health, performance, recovery, and style. Let's start off strong with a look at the build and design. The Balance 2 pairs a 1.5-inch AMOLED display with scratch-resistant sapphire glass. That means you're getting a premium look and feel, and it's built to withstand wear and tear. The body material is also premium. You're not in the budget plastic zone. And for those who want durability plus style, the Balance 2 covers those bases. Now what this means for you is a watch that not only looks good on your wrist, but can handle serious usage. Outdoors, indoors, workout mode, or everyday life. You'll feel more confident wearing it during a run, a meeting, or an evening out. But of course, a smartwatch is more than just looks. It's about what it can track, what it can tell you, how it fits into your life. On that front, the Balance 2 shines. You're getting over 170 workout modes. Meaning this watch isn't just for steps and sleep you're talking. Structured strength training, running, triathlon style, freediving, golf. Even high rock style workouts for those high-intensity competition fitness fans. If you train hard, or you push boundaries, or you just like the idea of complete performance tracking, this has you covered. What about recovery? Because that's a big deal. The Balance 2 offers continual recovery monitoring paired with a system called Biocharge Energy Monitoring. It basically combines your sleep, your stress, your activity, and gives you a score so you know how ready your body is to perform. That means you're not just looking at what you did, but what you should do next. Train hard, rest, recover smart, for premium country viewers like in the US. The battery life is a key factor, and the Balance 2 claims up to 21 days of usage under typical conditions. That's big for a feature-rich smartwatch. Also, it has 10 ATM water resistance, which means swimming, diving, rugged conditions. It's built to handle serious use. So if you live an active life or travel often, this ensures you're not constantly charging or worrying about durability. Let me call out features that stand out for premium users. The Balance 2 includes downloadable maps. Whether you're golfing or skiing or just out exploring, it supports golf course maps for tens of thousands of courses worldwide. It supports freediving and scuba up to 45 meters. And GPS, dual-band, multi-satellite support, which means better tracking accuracy in dense cityscapes or tree-covered trails. That's premium level. These are all things that elevate this beyond just another smartwatch. Now for every day. Usability in premium markets. The Balance 2 supports Bluetooth calls, message replies on Android, full QWERTY keyboard for replies, voice control with ZepFlow. That means you're not sacrificing connectivity or convenience. If you're used to high-end smartwatches, you'll find these features familiar and appreciated. So far so good, but no review is complete without the caveats. First, although 21 days battery life is claimed, real-world usage with heavy tracking. GPS, calls, dive mode maps, you'll likely see less. That's just the reality with feature-rich watches. Second, app ecosystem. While the Zep app is solid in premium countries, some users expect seamless interoperability with Apple Health, Google Fit, or maybe full App Store support on the watch. This may not match exactly what the biggest flagship players provide. I mention this so you're aware. Third, price. In the US, the Balance 2 is priced at $299.99 according to launch details. For the premium market, that's competitive given the features, but when comparing to brand-name flagship smartwatches, with deep ecosystems, some buyers may still value the brand and integration more. So, you'll want to consider, are these fitness and recovery features what you need, or are you more invested in ecosystem and apps? If it's the former, Balance 2 is a compelling offer. Another point, straps, materials, and customization. While the base version comes with a quality strap, many premium users will swap straps. Look for titanium or ceramic, or even luxury finishes. Not all may be available yet. Check market availability in your country. Let's talk about who this watch is ideal for. If you're in the US, Canada, Western Europe, Australia, and you live an active lifestyle, maybe you train for triathlons, you play golf, you scuba dive, or you just want a serious smartwatch that can handle it all and not just sit on your desk. This is a very strong choice. If you've been using something basic and want to upgrade into something performance-focused but not insanely expensive, go hot. If you already use a high-end Apple Watch or Galaxy Watch and tie heavily into their ecosystems, you'll want to check how much you'll be giving up or gaining in exchange. One more thing, future-proofing. The Balance 2 is built with premium materials, serious sensors, and durability that suggests you'll get years of use. That means in premium markets where buyers hold tech longer and expect updates, this device checks that box. Okay, so what's my verdict? The Amazfit Balance 2 delivers big on features, performance, durability, and recovery tracking, especially for the price. For US and premium market users who emphasize fitness, training, recovery, and value, this might just be the multi-tool smartwatch you've been waiting for. It may not beat every niche and ecosystem polish from established flagship brands, but it matches or exceeds them in almost every performance metric for less cost. If you're considering buying, I'd recommend you check strap options. Check if your preferred app integrations, Apple Health, Google Fit, Strava, are fully supported in your country. Check how charging updates are handled locally. Make sure the size and design match your wrist and style, because premium also means fits your life. Before I wrap up, thanks for watching, everyone. If you found this breakdown helpful, give us a like. Hit subscribe if you're new here to Tap Tech for more in-depth reviews of cutting-edge devices. All right, now for the outro. Thanks for staying with me until the end. I hope this review gives you clarity on whether the Amazfit Balance 2 is your next smartwatch. If you enjoyed it, tell us in the comments what feature matters most to you: battery life, recovery tracking, multi-sport modes, durability. I'd love to hear which feature you'll use first. Until next time, stay sharp, train smart, and I'll see you in the next review. Take care, and stay tuned.